Welcome to day 10 of our 12 days of fitness. Today we're working on strength and stability with two simple but challenging exercises. We're going to be doing star squats or step taps and stationary lunges with the chair. So for the step taps, I'm going to bend my knee and I'm going to tap forward, then back to the middle, out to the side, back to the middle, and back. Now, to make it a little bit more challenging, you can do it without holding on. So tapping forward, side, and back, making sure that you keep a small bend in that stance leg. And you'll want to do 10 rounds on each leg. The next exercise we're going to do is a stationary lunge, and I'm just going to use the counter for a little bit of balance. If you're at home, you can use a chair or a counter, whatever you have nearby that will help you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one leg behind, put a bend in the front knee, and I'm going to go straight down and back up. This is going to strengthen the quads and the hamstrings. At home, you can do between 8 and 12 of these, depending on your fitness level. And you should feel a nice burn in the quads and the hamstrings. These exercises are great for strengthening the hip, which is really important when we're walking. With all the extra shopping this time of year, that's really important. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow for day 11.